Well, folks, I just decided that as of today, I'm going to scrap some implants. Kind of just because I feel like it, and I've been gathering them for a while, and I'd also like to upgrade each of these once. Maybe not that one, but at least these two once. So yeah, that's kind of just what I'm doing. There won't be much to this video. So I think I'm gonna go for these. I'm also gonna go for that. Might go for some others. I don't know. I'm not gonna scrap all of them because, well, all the ones that I don't need or want, because you always got to keep at least, like, I'd say you should always keep at least 5 to 10, because you never know if one of them events is gonna require them, you know? So I'm gonna scrap you, and I'm gonna scrap you and you, and I'm also gonna scrap you. Yeah, I'm just gonna scrap a bunch, you know? It's gonna be great. Scrap that. Scrap them all. Scrap all them implants. Actually, I'm gonna be a little bit naughty, and I'm gonna scrap more than I should. Boom. Wait, what did I just complete? Huh. Interesting. Huh. For that, huh? Huh. Okay. Wait. Damage check. We're at 76k. Basically 77. Range. Terrible. Range boosted. Oh, shoot. I really want to increase the damage, so yeah. 500. A little bit more. A little bit more. I think that's enough. Yeah. There we go. Nice. Damage increased by, okay, 2,600? No, not 2,600. 1,600. Wow, that's kind of lame. Oh well, might as well, run a, okay, we're gonna run a, 2. Let's run a 2. Should I try uploading a video every day for this entire week? Can I do that? I don't know, I'm usually pretty busy. Okie dokie. Ah, crap, we got players. A whole bunch of them.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, so we've got a, Helix rack user. Mildly concerning. Okay, there we go. Keep hiding, keep hiding. We cannot let him see us. Alright, cover blown, new plan. No way he just shot that. Did you think you were gonna get a kill or something? Like, what's going on there, man? Aw, shoot! You know what? It's cause that little, jerk over there that's camping. I bet it's his fault. Nah, not really. It's kind of Jaguar's fault, not, Russian though? I don't know. Yeah, let's destroy him. Let's fry that guy. And hide. Oh, crap. Oh, what are you using there, buddy? Oh no, we've got Seeker. We've got Seeker. Okay. Oh, did I forget that disruptors can hurt you? I might have forgotten. Oh my gosh, why does this guy have so many legendary implants? Yes! Actually got a kill.
3, 2,
Just gotta hide. Just gotta hide. When in doubt, hide. Nice. Did basically no damage to me. And, yeah. Oh, please no.
2, 1.
Oh, by gosh, by golly. Dang it! Little Tengu user. Love to see it. Oh, come on now. Really? Aegis? Really? What a noob. Hide, hide, hide. Okay, I'm in way out of my league here. Oh, crap. Dang it! Why are there so many Tengus? Dang it. Help, 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 help me, please. Okay, cool. Good job. My teammate's carrying, bro. You little jerk. You know what? I got a thing or two to teach you. Yeah, I taught him a thing or two. Wise words. I'll teach you a thing or two. Okay, okay. Let's stop living now. Oh my gosh. Who and what are you? Well, we've got our Aegis camper in the back, and we've also got our Seeker camper in the back. Boom! Eat that! Yeah, that's what I thought. Stop living. Okay, I'm not sure what mech my teammate was using, but that really did not work. Okay, we've got a Tengu. And I think we've got another Tengu. Is that Seeker really using a Helix rack? How dumb are these players? Boom! Eat that, boys. Yeah, I'm not doing anything for my team. So what? Okay, where did that
You
shadow
have
come
one
from?
minute.
Just wondering. Like, just wondering. Okay, wow, I just sold, you know. Really messed up there, you know. Oh well, too bad. I'll do better. Okay, here we go. Claim them rewards. Oh. Okie dokie, here we go. Another 2v2. Please help me.
Three, two, one, go. Get out of my way.
Okay, we got a player. A player who happens to be camping, but that's okay. Yep, we got him. What is that? An Aegis. Okay, so we got a little jerk. No way we just beat that surge. Sometimes I surprise myself, you know? Chain gun and grav beam. Interesting. That's okay. That's okay. Because now I'm gonna whoop him. Okay, guess my bot will. Okay, junk jad. What the heck am I being injured by? What kind of a panther are you? I thought I saw a carbine and a fusion cannon. Please tell me that's not what I saw. Get dead, obliterated. Who do we have left? Oh, well they can see me, whoever they are. Oh! Little bot. Can't do that. Can't be doing that, man. Oh. Kill him. Why wouldn't my discs shoot? And why was my mech turning? Jeez, such a stupid mech. Okay, well played. Playing it smart. So tempted to... Yeah, I was so tempted to just, like, self-destruct. I was so tempted, you know? Tempting, but I'm not that kind of a guy. Okay, where's the player? There. Oh, disc launcher stalker? I used to do that. Back in the day, we were fighting each other with nerfed weapons that got nerfed in the same update. Okay, particle beams. I think that might be the second time I've ever been killed by those. I think so. Once that shield goes down, okay, there it is. Thought you were cool, huh? Thought you were funny? Guess what? You're dead. You didn't think that would happen, did you?
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, I got him. I got
You
him.
have won the match.
Okay, nice. What? What? How did you get 2 MVPs and I only got 1? Who are you, Shrimp? Oh, yummy. Like, what kind of a bot are you? I guess you're this kill-stealing kind. Not really. It looks like I'm the kill-stealing kind of player. Well, folks, I don't like keeping my videos long, even though most of my videos turn out being like 15 minutes long. So, yeah, I'm gonna stop recording now. Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time. Bye.